How to fix Grok AI app not working. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get the Grok AI app running again on your Android device. First, long press on the Grok app icon and tap the info icon to open app info. This is where most of the fixes will be handled from there. From there, tap Force Stop and confirm with OK to completely shut the app down and clear anything that may have gotten stuck running in the background. After that, tap Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be causing the app to misbehave. From here, go back to the app info screen and tap Battery. Make sure it's set to unrestricted so the app isn't being throttled or limited by your device's battery optimization settings. Next, tap Permissions and go through the list to make sure Grok has access to everything it needs. Any missing permissions can cause certain features to stop working or the app to crash entirely. Once that's all checked, scroll to the bottom of the app info page and tap App Details in Store. This will take you directly to the Play Store listing, where you can check if there's an update available and install it if there is, as updates often carry bug fixes for known issues. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device. Once it's back on, open Grok and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Grok AI app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.